This is Group C, Business Education. We are working on spreadsheet Excel. Like you can see, this is our.
As you can see, this is our Excel. It's not video. This is our Excel environment. Once you open Excel, this is the background, what we are going to see, and we are going to use this particular background now to create a grading sheet for our students, so that once the student got a score, once you key it in, the system will automatically bring out the grade. That's what we are working on.
Good morning, my name is Uchenna. This is the play of Business Education MTech 2019-2020, and we are working on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, using spreadsheet to prepare grade for students for secondary school, whatever level of students you're teaching. So this is what we are working on.
Yes, we are about to start now. This is the Excel environment, and to start, we have to first of all write the name of our school. And to write the name of our school, we want to make it appear a kind of beautiful, so that once you print it or once you're seeing it online, it will be very nice. First of all, you have to merge the cells. Let's assume we are going to work from A to M. You can see merge and center. You click on it, you select merge and center, then you type the name of your school. Let's assume we have Government Technical College in Nsukka. You type Nsukka. Then the second line, you might decide to state the local government or the state where the school is located. Then you come and select merge and center again. Maybe Nsukka local government. Nsukka local government of Enugu State, Nigeria. Okay, I have to create another one where I will put Nigeria. Yes, you will merge and center again. You type Nigeria. Yes, we are done in naming our school. Secondly, you have to state maybe you have to state maybe the term. You have to state the term, the school, and the class. Let's say in order to do this, we use A to D. We merge it. We just merge, not centering. We merge cell. Maybe our class is class. We use SS1 students or SS2. You can use any class of your choice, SS1. Then the same thing is applicable here. You merge cell. Maybe term, farm. Sorry, I used term. Let's assume this is second term. Yes, this is second term. Second term. Then year, we have to put our year too. Let's know whether it's 2019, 2020, or 2018. This is 2021, so we are going to use 2021. Yeah. (2021). Then the next thing we are going to create is the scores. Maybe before a student will pass, before a term elapses, we are going to have maybe first CA, second CA, third CA, exam, and then total. Let's assume this is our first CA. CA1, CA1, we have CA2. The CA here means continuous assessment 1, CA2, CA3, yes, then exam. Then after exam we have total. We have total, and that's all. Then don't worry, we have the second one. We are going to start again the maximum score. Let's check their maximum, where we are going to calculate their maximum. Then we'll have here, let's assume we are going to have